This is a demonstration of the iGrant.io data wallet, where we have combined our data exchange solution with permissions and consent services, all into one secure personal data space. We will show how an individual grants permission for the exchange of personal data between a data source and a data using service. The data is encrypted end-to-end during the transit. Our demo character, Charlotte, has decided to travel abroad and therefore needs to get tested for COVID-19. In our demo scenario, a test center is the data source or issuer of the COVID test result. The data wallet app in Charlotte's mobile acts as the holder of the issued test result, and the travel company is the data using service or verifier. Now to the demo. The left side of the video represents Charlotte's data wallet app, and on the right side you see representations of the test center and the travel company. Charlotte enters the test center and registers with the organization by scanning the QR code provided by the test center. Once connected, she receives a confirmation that a connection is successfully established. Charlotte gets tested. And once the result is available, the test center issues a digital test certificate to Charlotte. In this example, they use a so-called form-based issue, as shown to the right. Charlotte receives a notification when the test result is available to download. She can now add the certificate to her data wallet. When Charlotte reaches the airport check-in desk, she is requested to produce a valid COVID-19 test result. She clicks the Share Data button and scans the QR code on the check-in desk. A data agreement appears requesting Charlotte to share her name, test date, and test result. She agrees to the request by clicking Confirm. The travel company receives Charlotte's test result and verifies the authenticity and integrity of the data. Charlotte can proceed to the gate. In this demo, we have showcased two instances of data agreements facilitated by a MyData operator service. The first agreement is about Charlotte acknowledging receipt of the data from the test center. And the second data agreement is for Charlotte granting data access to the travel company. These agreements can be independently audited, both by the individual and the organizations involved. The iGrant.io data wallet follows recognized W3C standards, and we continue to drive standardization and interoperability through communities such as MyData, NGI Trust, ESIF Lab, as well as Trust over IP. And we continue to push for a human-centric internet. In the iGrant.io solution, any data source and any data using service can be connected to the data wallet, and all credentials can be verified. iGrant.io can create your data wallet or help you create a compartment in an existing data wallet.